cheering loudly, celebrating their athletes. Michael C. Riley Elementary School hosted the Special Olympics. Students lined up around the field holding signs, cheering on the student athletes as they paraded to the games. The school set up several fun activities for the students to play.
Soccer, because it's good and you get to run and stuff.
I like to do tennis because I have to do with this racket to go.
Soccer, because it was so much fun, because soccer was so fun.
Some kid coaches were also at each station, helping the students with the activities and making sure they were having fun.
So my station is the soccer. We're helping them with kicking the ball and getting it into goals, and we're putting like balls on the cones and letting them kick wherever.
I'm working on the playground, and it's basically just helping the kids like go down the slide. There's a spinny thing they can go on. They can sit down and spin around. There's a bunch of cool activities. There's swings they can go on, a bunch of cool activities.
It makes me happy. It makes them happy. It makes me warm inside that they're having fun.
Shucks are our homies.
A local musician also performed for the students, singing some fun songs as they took part in the game.
Good job.
There were about 8 activity stations for students to enjoy. At Michael C. Riley Elementary School, Ron Lopes, Beaufort County School District.
Everybody go under.